why I prefer seller financing to lease options, there are several reasons. One, you can collect a larger down payment. For example, here in Florida, you can't collect over 5% in option consideration on a lease option without giving the buyer an equitable interest in the property. That means you would have to foreclose if they default and refuse to move. With seller financing, I can collect as much down as I want. Yes, the buyer will still have equitable interest, but I would rather collect 40,000 down than 20. So, uh, plus you get a larger stay and pay rate, is what I call it, a percentage of people that actually stay, continue to pay you, and take ownership in the property. So for me, the acquisition is subject to, the sale is always seller finance. That's what we like.